We're going to put a wager on who makes the most power. Like, I've looked after my engine.
Some people ask me, but is a doghouse a place? It's more like a sentence that you got to face. When you find a doghouse, a dog you will know, 'cause there ain't no escape and there's nowhere to go. Back in the doghouse, what did I do? Yeah, I'm back in the doghouse, and I'm singing this song.
You can make something on there.
It does.
I think it might be
twice.
GT60
On the way up,
yeah.
on the way down.
To Astra.
Yeah.
My brother's old boss has got his one.
It's got to be. If I make at least 90 horsepower, I'll be happy.
Okay.
What's yours though? Turn it round here. Turn it round.
Okay, yeah, I'll get us both.
What's yours?
I'll be happy with anything above 80.
80. Right, we'll go for that. If I make 80, I'll be happy as well.
Alright, it's on.
You did 109 last time.
109.
As long as it does
It
that,
doesn't look
maybe
any
less.
different at all to the outside.
Excellent. Just confirm what we're going to do?
I'm hoping for 100.
Okay.
220.
220, okay. Simon, let's confirm what we're going to do.
It's going to leak oil under the rollers.
Okay, yeah.
It is basically
And then
standard.
possibly break down. But if we do get a rolling road out of it, then I don't know, 110 maybe.
Okay.
Piss off.
Well, a number, any number. 10 under. So you're hoping for
No,
about...
181.
Right, okay.
I know most people just say I don't want it to blow up, but I really don't want it to just blow up.